So can a stock be too high? Haha. MEDBOX is a company that makes machines that dispense medicine based on fingerprint scans. Its stock skyrocketed by a story on how to invest in legalized marijuana. Shares surged 3,000% last week, from about $4 on Monday to $215 on Thursday, before falling back to about $50 a share. I mean, you would think that this is great news for the company and their shareholders. It actually has the CEO a little concerned. And with me now in a Fox Business exclusive is MEDBOX CEO Dr. Bruce Bedrick. Welcome to the show. First of all, what do you think is the fair price for the stock? I mean, you watched it go on this roller coaster ride. What do you think the right price is?
Well, thanks for having me, Melissa. I appreciate you having me on. And to answer that honestly, I don't know what our fair price is because it's been all over the board. I can definitely say we are not a $2.4 billion company when we were up above 200, but MEDBOX is uniquely positioned in the marketplace as leaders. We are the most successful industry consultants, and we have some very, very creative and powerful technology that enables the medicine to be inventory controlled, stored, and dispensed in the safest, most secure way possible.
And it addresses a real problem that's out there, because I mean, what we're seeing is obviously, marijuana has been legalized in Washington and Colorado. At the same time, we've seen 500 of the estimated 3,000 dispensaries nationwide have been shut down because of, in large part, because of problems dispensing the medication. You have a machine that allows people to get it with their fingerprint. Do you think that this is something that's going to really catch on and expand?
Well, I believe so, not just in the medical marijuana industry, but also in the traditional pharmaceutical industry. We are particularly poised to really offer some creative value and some amazing economics for the traditional retail pharmaceutical industry as well. And I think anytime you can validate and verify and be transparent and control inventory of controlled substances, that you really need to be significantly considered.
How much interest do you have? I mean, are places beating down your doors? I mean, do you see your business doubling? Give us a sense for what we're talking about, because the way your stock has moved, it's difficult to value your business.
It is very difficult to value, and the problem is that we don't have a large float. All of the press and coverage that we've received has been, obviously, I'm even on your show today. Wall Street Journal has made a few articles and released a few articles on our behalf, or on about us, I should say. And it's all been since the election. I believe that medical marijuana and marijuana in general needs to be discussed on a national level because it has significant impacts on the economy. Prohibition just doesn't work. I know this is a money show, but if we can all come to an honest discussion about what medical marijuana or marijuana can do for the economy in
tax and regulated, it creates revenue, is basically what you're saying.
Yes, it's healing not just for patients, not just for businesses, but for taxes and everybody else.
It's a whole nother discussion. Dr. Bruce, get back to surgery or whatever it is that you're doing there. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Melissa. Thank you.